Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your Coinbase account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to never miss an upcoming upload. To create a Coinbase account, firstly you need to open up a web browser. In the search bar, type in coinbase.com. Coinbase is an American publicly traded company that operates a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Coinbase is a distributed company. All employees operate via remote work and the company lacks a physical headquarters. Now click on the Get Started button located on the top right corner of the screen. Next, enter in your first name along with your last name. Now also add in your email address. Next, create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, which must contain numbers, letters, and special characters. After you enter the password, you can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon. Next, you'll need to check this button. If you want, you can also read the user agreements as well as their privacy policies. Now you can create your free account. A verification link will be sent to your email address. Go to your email and click on this verify email address button. You have successfully created your Coinbase account. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We will be back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.